What is up, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? I'm doing great, and it's a beautiful week. You already know the slogan. It's Monday. Let's make some money. Right, and I'm not forgetting, we got cooked by NFP on Friday. NFP absolutely obliterated me on Friday, and I'm going to show you guys why. But right now, I'm actually cooking. So I did have a question and answer on my Instagram, and then someone actually asked for the Nasdaq analysis of this week. So I normally don't analyze like that. I know a lot of traders like him, top-down analysis like that. But you know that I am always going to be checking the markets every single day. But it is important to know the direction of the market. So this is what I want to do for you guys for today. You know that my vlogs don't normally go like that, right? So why not try something new, right? So I'm going to, after I eat, right, and all that good stuff, the market is already ready. It's open, and we want to just see what Nasdaq has in store for us for this week, right? So if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash the like button, turn your post notifications, and subscribe to the channel. You feel me? I was about to close out the video. Oh my god, I'm already used to that. I'm already like okay, so we're actually on a semester break, right? And then I don't have school right now, so I actually have a couple of weeks, I think a week or two left, and then we're back to school. So I actually have time to analyze these things and post for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So I want to first look at the NFP trade that cooked me on Friday, right here, right? And then what I was saying was I was targeting this institutional zone, right? And literally, what just happened? Why is it crashing? Bro, the day I want to actually make a video for you guys, my trading view is not working. What? Okay, let's pause this.
A few moments later.
Ah, man, that was crazy, right? So as I was saying before, it switched off on me for no reason, right? I was like, okay, then I was targeting this zone. That would have been my first take profit. I actually wanted the market to come down to this trend line that we have over there. So in my head, I was biased towards a really long sell, and then I thought the market would come into this zone. If it actually starts retracing, it would have first hit that zone and then retraces, right? But then that is not what the market had in mind. It actually just reversed at this zone. So what happened? Look at this trade, right? We had the sell somewhere around here. So I entered the sell after a retest. What I thought as a retest, right? Somewhere there. Yeah, somewhere there. And then I was targeting this zone. The market would come and play around in this zone. If it retraces, it would then go up, right? But then I thought it would break this zone, and then we add more entries there and then carry it down to that zone, right? But then that is not what the market did. The market just came with me and then took me out to the zone. That was where my stop loss was, and then I actually just had to leave that trade with, how much is that? 3.9k loss, right? So that was crazy. And now we want to remove everything that we have over here. That was what happened to me with NFP, and that is how I ended up losing the second time this year. This is like our second loss this year. And then right now, what we want to look at, I'm actually going to do for you guys a top-down analysis, right? So I remember a couple of days ago, when was this? This was 18th of January, right? This was the 18th of January, right? And then everyone was like, no, Nasdaq has made the highest highs. It has formed higher highs, and the market is about to sell. And then the market play with you guys. Look, this is like a daily time frame. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days actually just playing around with you people, telling you that it's faking, a sell. And everyone's like, no, it's a double bottom, it's selling. But who told you guys that just because the market has formed higher highs, it can't just keep going higher and higher and higher? And this is the same scenario that we have right now, right? So I'm actually just going to make this real quick, and as you can see, we actually have the same thing right here. This is the highest point that Nasdaq has been in forever. This is the highest of highs, right? And obviously a lot of people are looking at sells, but you don't trade what you want in the market. You trade what you see, what the market wants. That's what you trade, right? So I actually just want to go here and, okay, you can see all this basic things that is on an uptrend. You can already see that, so I don't expect you guys to be worried about that. So let's just do a rough trend line over here like that. So right, this is what we have. So we can see this touch, and then it broke, and then it retested at this zone, and then it went down. And then right now, do you see what I can see? Yes, sir. I think you all see it. So we have like a liquidity zone right there. So we might look for the market to actually come back and retest this trend line again and then sell. But if we go on our lower time frame, like maybe the 4-hour time frame, right, we can see, ooh, they are really removing snow up there, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, please don't stop. Do it again, please. Yes, there, you see it. Yes, they are removing snow from up there. I thought that is kind of like a view for me right here. So okay, back to the chat. I'm so sorry about that. You know, yeah. So right, we have our chart like this. Okay, so as you can see right now here, we have a resistance zone here, and then if the market, right, that's why you tell yourself, if the market actually breaks this zone, you look to buy. If it breaks these highest highs, you look to buy it. But if it gets rejected here, obviously you need to be, you know, careful and then let it drop down with you. I think down here we have a little trend line too, right? I think we can get a little trend line here. But the only thing that I want to tell you guys that just because the market has formed higher highs does not mean that it can't go even higher, right? So if we do our trend line like this, you see, we have another zone that the market can actually come from there. But then, in my opinion, I'm strongly inclined to buy, but I will only buy after I see confirmation, right? So we're just looking for the market to break. This is liquidity right there. Look, a lot of people are looking at these sells. They're like, the highest of highs, double, what is that? 1, 2, 3, triple top, head and shoulders, whatnot. Everything is going to be right there. Everyone is looking at that. And just because the market will not move today or tomorrow doesn't mean that it'll probably just play around for a few days there and then just show us the direction that it actually wants to go. So that's it with the Nasdaq analysis that you actually asked for. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash the like button, turn your post notifications, and subscribe to the channel. You feel me? And on this one, I'll be like, that is Vincino, and I'm out. Peace. Let's go.